Electronic drums are a great option for musicians who want to practice or perform without disturbing others. There are many products available to choose electronic drums, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices, to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best electronic drums from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Alesis Nitro Mesh Kit. The Alesis Drums Nitro Mesh Kit is an electric drum set that delivers a realistic, responsive, and immersive playing experience with its all-mesh electronic drum kit heads. It includes an 8-piece drum set with dual-zone snare pad, tom drums, and cymbals. The Nitro drum module has 40 ready-to-play classic and modern drum kits, 60 play-along tracks, and 350-plus expertly curated acoustic drum set sounds. In addition, it has powerful educational features such as a sequencer, metronome, aux input, and performance recorder to help develop your drumming skills. It comes with a 4-post aluminum rack, connection cables, drumsticks, drum key, and power supply. The Alesis Drums Nitro Mesh Kit also includes 60 free virtual lessons from Melodics to help you master any genre or technique. Number 2. Donner Dead 70 Electric Drum Set. The Donner Dead 70 drum set is a complete electric drum set that includes everything you need to enjoy the fun of playing drums. It features 4 mesh drum pads, 3 rubber cymbal pads, a sturdy metal rack, a drum sound module, a drum throne, drumsticks, headphones, and all the necessary cables. The powerful learning function of the Dead 70 comes with play-along songs and practice exercises, making it perfect for beginners to develop and improve their drumming skills. With 10 kits and 68 exclusive drum sounds, it provides a realistic and enjoyable playing experience. The drum kit supports both adapter and USB power bank, allowing you to play anywhere at any time. The flexible stand design allows for height and angle adjustments, catering to all young players. Additionally, the Donner Dead 70 drum set offers 40 free virtual lessons from Melodics, providing a fun and interactive way to hone your skills in any style. Number 3. Alesis Turbo Mesh Kit Electric Drum Set. The Alesis Surge Mesh C-Kit is an all-in-one electronic drum set that offers a natural playing experience with quiet drum heads. It features mesh drum pads, inspiring sounds, engaging lessons, and a rock-solid kit, making it perfect for beginners and those looking to improve their skills quickly. The kit includes a 10 dual-zone mesh snare, 3 8 dual-zone mesh toms, an 8 mesh kick drum, a 10 hi-hat, and a 10 crash and ride with a choke. With the Surge Special Edition electronic drum module, you get access to 385 drum sounds and 40 kits, along with 60 play-along music tracks and a metronome to help build timing and accuracy. The kit also offers various connectivity options, including a built-in sequencer, CDMP3 aux input, and USB MIDI connections. Additionally, the bundle includes a collapsible throne and on-ear headphones, providing everything you need to complete your electric drum set. The adjustable double-braced drum throne ensures comfort and support for drummers of all ages, making it the perfect addition to any electric drum kit or acoustic drum set. Number 4. Electronic Drum Set Electric Drum Set. The AOTSK Electric Drum Set provides a complete drumming experience for beginners. With 4 drum pads and 3 cymbals, this drum set offers a realistic drumming experience. It comes with 150 sounds and 10 play-along songs, allowing you to learn and practice different music styles. The drum set is portable and foldable, making it easy to transport and store. The 6.5-inch silicone drumhead feels close to real drums and is also more durable. Additionally, it has an aux input and USB MIDI output for creating your own beats and music. With its extensive sound system and multiple modes to choose from, this drum set is perfect for beginners looking to learn and improve their drumming skills. Number 5. Donner Dead 80 Electronic Drum Set. Donner Dead 80 is an electronic drum set designed for beginners with 180 sounds and 15 drum kits. It has a training and recording function to help beginners improve their playing skills. The pedal is comfortable and durable, with a lightweight design that avoids most of the noise. The set has a double-layer mesh high-density structure and a 10 cymbal for a precise strike. It is portable and foldable, ideal for home and outdoor performances. It can be linked to DAW software through the USB MIDI interface, and the package includes a drum throne, headphones, and drumsticks. 40 free teaching courses are provided for users to try arranging music. That's all from on my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.